Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On this video, I am going to teach you how to start using the Threads app. Recently, Mark Zuckerberg launched the Threads app, which has been trending, and Elon Musk is threatening to sue him for copying Twitter app. Right, on this video, I am going to show you how to use Threads app through Instagram and how to interact and connect with your friends. So the first thing you need to do is navigate to your app store. In my case, I'm going to go to Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, you can go to iOS store and search Threads. Okay, once you search Threads, you see the app will come over, it will pop up. This is the app, the first app here. Click on it, then install the app. In my own case, I've already installed this app, so I'm going to go ahead and click open. So once you open the app, you are going to come to this page. This is the first page of Threads. Here you'll be asked to log in with your Instagram account. So if you have an Instagram account already, all you need to do is to select the Instagram account that you want to use and log into Threads. Let's assume that you have many apps, accounts on Instagram. You can click this switch account below and select the account that you want to join Threads with. Once that is done, click this Instagram account button here and you'll be taken to the next page. Okay, so this is the next page. Here you are required to set up your profile. So you select your name here. If you want to continue with the name you have on Instagram, you can continue with it. Then write your bio and add your link. Let's assume that you have a website link. Click here and add the website link and write a bio, who you are. You can define yourself, whatever you want, and you save. So you click here and add your profile picture. You can either import from Instagram or you select a profile picture. Whichever one you want is fine. Alright, so once that is done, you click on this next button here. So here you are required to set up your profile as a public or a private profile. If you select a private profile, only your approved followers can see, share and interact with your con ten t. But if you select a public profile, anyone on or off Threads can see, share and interact with your con ten t. Alright, before we proceed to the next phase by clicking on this continue, I want to explain this place for you. If you want to import everything you have on Instagram into your Threads profile, you can simply click on this import from Instagram over here and all your profile, everything about your profile on Instagram will be imported. So we are going to click on next and click on continue by selecting our profile to be public. Alright, so here you are going to be asked to follow everybody that you follow on Instagram. So if you want that to happen, just click on this follow all button and you get to follow everybody that you are already following on Instagram. But if you don't want that to happen, you can continue by clicking on this button here. On my case, I'm going to click on follow all, and then this phase will come where you'll be asked to join Threads. Here they are trying to explain what Threads is all about and they are telling you that Threads is powered by Instagram. Alright, so I'm going to click on join Threads over here. So we are logging in. The app is coming up. So your profile is being set. They are trying to set up your profile. This will take a little time for it to load. So wait for it while it comes up. Alright, so this is your app. So here you get to see people to follow. Here they will suggest people that you can follow, and remember, since if you are not following anybody, messages will not pop up on your timelines. But since I'm following people that I'm following on Instagram, you can see I'm already seeing posts from the people I'm following on Instagram. On some cases, threads will suggest post from other people that you are not following. Alright, so here I think I'm seeing the post of the people that I am following on Instagram. Alright, so let's hover over this app and see how we can utilize this app. Just like Twitter, let's say you want to react on someone's post. Let me try reacting on someone's post. So I'm going to click on this button here, love button. I've reacted on this post. If I want to comment, I'll just click on comment and I'll drop my comment. You are looking good, and I will post. All right, let's say you want to retweet something someone already you want to retweet something. Let me use the word retweet something someone has already tweeted. Right, so you click on this button over here just like Twitter, and you repost the content, and you can use this button over here to share what others has on their feed, to your story, to your feed, to Twitter, and the rest of them. All right, so let's come over to search. If you want to search on somebody you want to follow, click on this search button below and search the person's name. All right, and let's say you want to make a post, you can use this button over here, the center button, and you make your post. All right, so after making your post, always remember to use a thread. That will help you grow more. All right, so after you make your post, always use a hashtag or a thread. That's called a thread. Use a hashtag, and when people join your hash, they'll follow you. All right, so I'm going to discard, and let's come over here. This is your activity. So here is like a notification bar. You get to see what people are doing on your page, the people that so this is a notification bar. And the last one is your profile. So here you can edit your profile, you can share your profile, and you can see replies, messages. All right, so this is typically how to use threads. Was this video useful? Please don't forget to give it a thumb up so that people looking to join threads will get this video and get to watch it and know how to use the threads app. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.